It is 9:42. I'm wearing this shirt because I was like looking through all my videos from the past like 4 days, and all of the shirts I'm wearing are gray. Like, one I'm wearing a gray Georgia Bulldog shirt, then the next I'm wearing a gray tank top, then yesterday I was wearing a gray, like heather gray t-shirt or something. So yeah, I was like, I need to switch it up because these people are gonna think I'm wearing the same shirt like every day. But yeah, so I already just did 2 orders on Instacart, and I'm headed to Destin to see if we can get some more orders. And yeah, so one of the things I wanted to talk to y'all about, or update y'all on, was with me going to be a mom. Well, I already am a mom, but like have 2 newborns. I'm thinking of starting to do like, so we know I have my own bondsman business, which I can't really operate until after my legal stuff is all cleared, which, by the way, I have one more court date, August 17th, and that we are so happy about. But also I am considering doing lashes. That's like lash extensions. I'm sure the girls know what I'm talking about. It is like super in, but my thing is, I don't know how I would like promote myself, or I got Facebook, and you know, I've got a lot of girls on there, but I don't know how else, because I don't really have any friends, and yeah, so that's really all. But I'm going through the process. I'm taking an online certification course, and I think in the state of Florida you have to be licensed, but honestly, the license is mainly important if you work in a salon. So that is something I started the course. It's like 15 chapters or sections, and I'm on like chapter 3. Haven't started chapter 3, so I just finished 1 and 2. And I'm really just trying to find something to be income while, I don't know, I'm really nervous about sending 2 babies to daycare. I don't think I can do it, to be honest. I don't think I will do it. So that's why I'm like trying to plan ahead and learn some new skills. Bitch, where are you going? Like, you are on my ass. Like, this is Destin traffic. You better chill the fuck out. Because that's just not going to get you nowhere but in a wreck. But because obviously with 3 kids, I'm going to need income, period. And YouTube is income, but it's not. Since I've been on YouTube, I think I started in 2017 or 18, right before I had Lorelai. I have only made $60, we'll round it up and say $65. And to get a check from YouTube, you have to make at least $100. So it is a long time. It's a long time coming, or whatever that saying is. So yeah. And I think, like, I mean, I can do these, like, daily car vlogs because, I mean, I don't have nobody else to talk to. So it's like, might as well talk to my fucking self and record and make a couple cents, I guess. But I did notice back when I was super consistent on YouTube, I wasn't super consistent for a long time. I don't think, maybe a month, maybe not even that. But that is when I noticed a big jump in my revenue, which not even, so like I could make 6 cents on a video, but when I was consistent, it bumped it up to like $1. You know, it's not really, you're like, oh, there's only 94 cents, but at the same time, there's 94 cents, you know, so it's like, I'm going to try to be more consistent and whatnot. My days are super busy, and it feels like I got a lot to do and not enough time. I've got all these appointments. It's like, yesterday I didn't end up going to the 3:15 meeting I had. I ended up just switching it over to Zoom because I was tired and was like, I'm laying down until I go to class. So, and I'm glad I did the Zoom because it turned out that I didn't really need like my program of study. The VA lady wanted me to get a new program of study because I thought I had changed it to an AS, but really it still needs to be an AA because I'm not going to start taking my MLT classes until this time next year. So, because if I just switch it to an AS for the MLT program, then I'm only going to be able to take like 2 classes between now and the fall. And the program director, I did go and see her, and she submitted her approval for me to be able to have 2 degrees, which is where, well, like to work towards 2 degrees. So it shows that okay. She approved it because after I get my degree, I'm gonna transfer to UWF and get my bachelor's. So if I could do all the classes they need for a MLT, but if I want my bachelor's, that requires additional classes, like general ed classes. So in order for the VA to pay for my classes, because they'll only pay for classes that are related to your program of study, we're keeping it as an AA so I can get those bachelor prerequisites, and then I'll get those and then work on my MLT. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm sure it does. But, yeah. So, I'm having this, like, pain in my side. Like, kind of, oh, yeah. Like, it's probably round ligament pain, because it's like, I'll show y'all. It's, like, down here. It hurts. It hurts to walk. Stretch. But this little girl is like face down in my pelvis. Like they was doing the ultrasound and they was literally on my hip. I was like, dang, that kind of hurts. Like my stomach is fat and squishy. My hip, that's my damn bone that you're pushing down on, and that hurts. So, yeah. And I took a test yesterday, and I think I did pretty good on it. There were some things that I was like, there was one question about what will happen if over time a person's sodium potassium pump is poisoned. Well, and I was like, because the question above it, I had to draw out the sodium potassium pump. So I'm like, okay, I know that the pump is a biological battery for the body. That's how we move. That's how we stay alive, everything. So if that's poisoned, off to the side I put an asterisk. I was like, keep in mind, it's a biological battery. If that's poisoned, there's no electricity and you die. And then I was last one to turn my test in, and I was like, that's the answer. I'm pretty sure that is the answer. It's not just me being like, think about it logically, because I was like trying to write my thoughts out. And so I just put an arrow, and that was my answer. So I'm doing really good in anatomy. I'm proud of myself. Not really good. Okay, so my first test I got a 74. But on my labs and stuff, the one we got back yesterday, which was the one we took last week, I think I got an 89 on it. So I mean, that's something to be proud of. But yeah, so I'm just driving out here to see if we can get any orders. I'm about to show y'all the freaking it hurts to sit up. I'm about to show y'all the like clouds and stuff. Look how nasty it looks out here. I got all these papers in my window that I need to take out. I want y'all to see the water too, because it might not be pretty today because it is so muggy. Muggy, is that even the right word? It's cloudy. It looks like it's gonna downpour any second. I got the sun up here. Let's see. Take y'all off so we can look at the water. Yeah, it's not that pretty out. Pretty out there, but look at that. As of right now, I just checked. I haven't got any Instacart orders. I've gotten a couple of DoorDash orders, but DoorDash and Destin is like, I don't know if it's really worth it, because you may only have to go 4 miles and you get $8, but it's going to take you like an hour. So, let's see. I think for right now I'm just going to go park at Target and see, because I don't want to go to... I don't just want to waste my gas and drive around. Also, speaking of gas, do y'all remember when I got gas, like, it was Tuesday before I went to Pensacola? That shit was like $3.92 maybe, or no, like $3.96, let's say. The next day it's $3.90 or $3.79. Then it gets down to $3.76. And I'm like, I just paid damn near $4 for this gas. But it is good seeing that gas is going back down. Hopefully that's a good thing, a good start, so that not everyone's struggling, because trust, it is not easy, you know, for anybody right now. So but yeah, I don't else to talk about. Should I already end this vlog? I know it's already like 15 minutes. And I've already been sitting here talking about nothing. And it's only 10 o'clock. And I started recording at like 9:52. I don't know. I will come back and update y'all in a little bit. Alright, an update. It's 11:26. I have not gotten no orders. I actually took a nap in Target parking lot. So I'm gonna just go back home because fuck it. I was getting more orders over there. So I would like to add that I did do some of my math homework. You can go. And yeah, it's 20 questions. I did like 11 of them. So I might just go home, stay online. If I get an order, take it. But I might just go home, work on school, clean up the house some for the weekend. Yeah, I don't know. So, hey y'all, it's 12:41. I just ate Zaxbys. I ate a lot of food and I don't even feel like overly disgustingly full, which is kind of nice. I got a fried house salad. They no longer have Mediterranean dressing, which I'm kind of upset about, but they do have light vinaigrette, so that's what I got. And then I got a like double chocolate chip cookie, a chocolate chip cookie, and then it came with a slice of toast. And I ate all of it and the salad. I usually never eat a full salad from Zaxbys because they're really freaking big. But before I ate, I checked my blood sugar and it was 66, which is a little bit low, but I called the doctor to see what the range was, and they were like, that's fine, it's not too far low. I guess normal's like 70. Anything below 70 they consider low. But I'm ready to go home and take me a nap. Yeah, that shit was good. That was like, I don't know, maybe I didn't even feel that hungry, but I was eating. I'm like, dang, I'm actually hungry, and this shit's good, and it's kind of healthy. So I'm excited to see. Whoa, motherfucker! I didn't know bicyclists can freaking lane split. What the hell are they doing? Popping up next to me. Shit. Don't get too close because I'm not that good of a driver. I've never hit nobody and I don't want to, but I can see me doing something like that. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to go home, you know, nap. I'm excited. I'm like the type of fool that's like, I don't feel groggy or like sick or like I overate. But I definitely, like, I'm not hungry. Like, I am good. We are chilling. I don't know why I'm so happy that I ate so much. I'm excited to see what my blood sugar will be. And I need to go home anyways because I don't have any more Lancets with me. This little thing came with 10 and I used all 10 of those, obviously, in 2 days because I have to check my blood 4 times a day. But, yeah. I feel like a whole new person. I feel like that food gave me energy. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah, I'm full though. I'm full. We got the baby bump. Yeah, I can't believe we're having twins. People are probably next to me looking at me. I'm like super fucking nervous, but also it's like that's kind of fucking cool. But then, yeah. One of my videos, so I'm posting on Mondays and Fridays, and I've been recording every single day. So obviously y'all's videos, when you see it, it's gonna be a little bit behind. Like today's the 22nd, and I don't think y'all will see this till like the first Monday in August. So, just so I don't get burnt out, because, you know, I can record every single day and I could post every other day, but then it's like, you know, I don't know. And I really don't be editing at all, because, you know, sometimes I'm like, dang, I meant to change like the transitions, not so it fades, but to where it just skips. I don't know if you know what I mean, but yeah, so I've been doing Mondays and Fridays at 12. Somebody asked about doing a birth vlog, if I'm going to, and I think I am. I really want to have a natural birth, you know, and it's like, I wish I would have done it all natural with Lorelai, but the doctors kind of scared me, but now, like, I have gestational diabetes. I have 2 babies, so it's like, it's not the best time to pick to do all natural, bitch. That's how I feel. But, you know, we're gonna go with it, and I have faith that my body and my babies we know what to do, you know, when time comes, we'll be okay, and we will be good. It's crazy thinking about it. But also, if they do a C-section, they could give me like a little tummy tug afterwards. You know, they do that. So, I've just heard that C-sections are more hard to recover from. I'm not sure how that would be, but I don't know. I've never had one, and I don't mean that like offensively to anyone who did have one or who has had one. But I mean, cutting into your stomach through all your skin, like, that's like cutting muscles. That's probably why it's so hard to recover from, you know. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna throw this pineapple away I got, because it's been in my car since this morning, which hasn't been long, but I mean, it's still cold, but I don't want to risk it. And babies are happy, I think. I don't know. I think I was surprised my blood sugar was so low because for breakfast I ate Fruity Pebbles with marshmallows. Like straight sugar. And then I grabbed one of these, but didn't drink it. I didn't open it, so it's still like cool. It's not cold. It should be fine to go back in the fridge, right? Because I mean, it was on the shelf in the store. I don't know. I'm gonna put it back in the fridge though. These little babies. I can't believe it. At first I was like real nervous about like, it sounds really fucked up, but like, will I love these babies like I love Lorelai, you know, because she's my first. And like, I love that girl to death, okay? And so at first I was like worried I wouldn't love them or like wouldn't have the same bond, which I believe it's true. I won't have the same bond, but I will still love them in their own way. But now as it's getting closer to them being here, I'm like getting more excited. I'm kind of not excited because we still got a lot of stuff to get in order before they get here. Like some serious stuff. So we need to tighten down on that shit because but yeah, I'm like, oh my god, like, did I show y'all the ultrasound from yesterday? It is stinking cute. They were both being little shitheads. So she only got one picture of the boy before she even like started doing everything. Let me show you. I want to show y'all. Look how dinky too. Looking like his damn mama with that little nose. Yeah, they're gonna be cute. I'm excited. Oh gosh, they're gonna be handfuls. Then I'm nervous about like trying to breastfeed both of them. Do I breastfeed at the same time or do I do one and then this boob's gonna let down and then bottle feed the other one? That's not real fair. So I guess I'm gonna be a fucking cow. Or like a dog. A dog mom. How all her kittens, how all the babies are like attached to the mom at the same time. It's gonna be miserable. I'm gonna lose my shit. I don't think I will. Yeah, I probably will. I'm gonna be like stressed out. Cause how the heck? Yeah, so that's crazy. I don't know, I'm in a good mood right now. That food put me in a good mood. These babies make me happy. I'm excited. And yeah. But I'm about to end this video here, I think. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Maybe I'm being all like giggly and shit because I'm tired. Maybe that's it. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment. I need to get my comments up. And like this video. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.